What's going on, brothers? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, we're about to sharpen the blade. We're gonna remove it, and we put the safety barrier so the blade won't run when you're screwing the bolt. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're about to do this. The reason where we're gonna sharpen it is because our grass blades are kind of dull from the top, and the blade is dull too, so we're gonna sharpen it. We had this one right here, but it was not the right fitting for the mower. Yeah, so we're gonna, as you see, it's pretty used already. We haven't sharpened it for a while. So we're gonna sharpen it right there, and right here. This is our mower. We have a Black Max powered by Honda. It's GCV 160. That's pretty good. As you see right here, we're doing a file so we can sharpen it. We're trying to find the grill, the grinder I mean, but we can't find it, so we're doing it with this. Alright guys, we switched to a better file because this was more for like knives, cooking knives and stuff like that, and this one's better. That one's more smoother and more thorough. As you can see, the blade, it's already coming better. It's already being more sharpened. Alright guys, so pretty much right here we're gonna test it if the blade is pretty much even. So we're gonna put it right here on this nail. And see if it's even. If it's crooked, if it's leaning to one side or the other, it means it needs a little bit more filing to do. As you can see, this one's pretty much even. This is what happens. As you see right here, it's a little bit crooked to the side, so we might have to file it down over here to smooth. Oh no, actually over here to smooth it down, because it's a it's a little bit heavier over here. Here's the second test. This is the third time we filed it. As see right there, it's pretty perfect, even. So pretty much you want to do that. You want to make sure it's even from each side, because when you're passing your when you cut in your lawn, it starts to vibrate. It starts to like go when you're passing on your lawnmower. So right there, it's we already filed it. My dad filed it already, sharpened it. It's pretty sharpened. As you saw a little while ago, it's all dirty. Now it's nice and chrome. So we're gonna put it back. Sorry, it's a little bit dark.
That's like a little star. You have to find the right way, the right spot.
You see? So we put this so I can stop it, and you can tighten up the knot or the bolt. There you go. So how many people could change the blade? Juan, 2.
Okay,
Move it back. Hey. So we're gonna start it up. It doesn't vibrate. Alright guys, so this was our blade sharpen video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. That's my dad, that's my brother, that's what we work with. And I hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much.